Hey, Shadow. What are you doing? Oh, this stupid car. Watch. Alright. Oh, now we got some gas going here. Let's try this again. Ready? Go! This thing won't work. Shadow, I don't think it's the car. I think it's just you being really pissed off. No, it has to be the car, Sonic. It has to. Let's try this again. Yeah, now get some gas going. Stupid freaking car won't work. Here, let me try kicking it for a little bit. Let me try the other side. Okay, the trunk then. Hey, wait, that was cool though. Oh, Shadow, it isn't working for some reason. Let me try it again. Goddamn freaking car. Once I get this thing working, I'm walking this thing over the Oh! Now we've got some gas going. Finally! Yeah, baby!